Good morning, children. I hope you all have done your work in your copy. Now, children, today is the second class of maths, and in this session, children, we are going to learn the concept of zero and what comes before, after, and in between the numbers. So, children, concept of zero. Children, concept of zero means till now we have learned about the numbers starting from 1 to 9. Then after 9, 10 is there. So how will 10 is written? 1 and 0. Children, 0 means nothing. Suppose your mama has given you 5 toffees and you have eaten all the 5 toffees. So what left? That means no toffees are left. It means nothing is there. So it is said as 0. Here also, children, as you see, 3 children, they are on the swing. Amit, Tina, and Sachin. Okay, children? So these all 3, they're enjoying on a swing. And when Mama calls Amit, so Amit goes away. Mama is calling, Amit is going. So how many are left on the swing? 2. Who? Tina and Sachin. Again, children, see the next picture. Sachin is also going because now he is thirsty. So 1 is left on the swing, and who is there? She is Tina. So 1 is on the swing. Next is, again you see, children, in the third picture, Tina is also going. Why? Because she is feeling hungry. Now, how many children are there on the swing? No one. So all are left. So nothing is there. So it becomes 0. Okay, children? So what does 0 means? 0 means nothing. When you don't left anything, that means nothing is there. Okay? So it is said to be 0. Children, let us move on exercise. So how will you write 0? This is 0. So write it in your copy. Then again, see the picture here. 3 bees are humming on the flower. So how many bees are there? 3 bees. Okay. So all these 3 bees, from these bees, 1 flies away. So how many are left? 2. 1, 2. Then again, the third picture, only 1 bee is there because 1 more flies away. So 1 bee is there. So how many left? 1. In fourth picture, children, there is no fly here because that bee also flies away. So how many left? Nothing. So it is 0. So 0 means nothing. So let us move on next picture. Here, Tina, children. You heard about the Tina, children? She was on the swing. So she has 2 flowers. 1, 2. She loves her teachers. So she gave 1 flower to her teacher. So how many flowers are left? 1. Okay. In next picture, so in next picture children, see, one, she had given the flower to her teacher. She also loves her brother. So she gave one flower to her brother. So how many flowers are left? Nothing. That means 0. So children, in this way you can say that 0 means nothing. Okay. Now we come to before, after and in between. Suppose children, 3 children are there. One is you, who is in the middle, and before you Ayush is there, and after you Samya is there. Okay, so you are in the middle, so he is standing in front of you Ayush, and who is standing at the back of you, that means Samya. So before and after means which comes before or in front, and after means which comes after or backward to the present one. Okay, so we'll see the number line. Now in this number line means it is a line in which numbers are given and they are marked from 0 to 9. Okay, now this number line shows the position of the numbers on this line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now look at the number line children for before and after. So cheese 2 and 3 is there on the number line. So which number is present before 3? That is 2. And which number is present after 2? That is 3. Okay, again see this next picture. Which number is present before 6? That is 5. And which number is present after 5? That is 6. Okay children. Now see the next picture. In between. In between means you. I told you earlier that you are standing in the middle, Ayush is standing in front of you, and Samya is present at the back of you. Okay, so you are middle one, Ayush is before you, and Samya is after you. So in between Ayush and Samya, you are standing. This is between the numbers, or you can say 6, 7, 8 are the numbers, and 7 is in the middle. That means before 7 comes 6 and after 7 comes 8. So this, the number which is present in between 6 and 8 is 7. Okay, let's move on to exercise children. A number line is given here starting from 0 to 9. Okay, so do this, fill in the blanks by seeing this number line. Okay, number 1 is 1 comes after. So where is 1 present? Here children. Okay, and it is after 0. Okay, so write here 0. Then dash comes after 8. Where is 8 written? Here. Okay, so 9 comes after 8. So write here 9. Okay children. And let's move to other example. 3 comes before. So 3 comes before means 4. That means before 4, 3 is there. Then dash comes before 7. So what comes before 7 is 6. Okay. Let's move to other. Write the numbers which comes in between 7 and 8. So which number comes in between 7 and 8? 7 and 9? 8. Okay, so in this way, children, do all the exercise in your copy. Okay, do it thoroughly, revise it, and do neat work in copy, children. Okay, and send it through WhatsApp. Now come to another topic is more and less. Okay, children, let's do the matching. Okay, and numbers, blocks which are more, having more figures, write M, and with the block which has less number of figures, write L. Okay, M and L. So we'll try this. Oh, juicy mangoes. Wow. So count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many mangoes are here? 5. And now count the other block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 blocks are here. So what to write here? And this less number of mangoes are there, and in this more number of mangoes are there. So write here less and write here more. Okay, children, don't write numbers in blocks, just write M and L. Okay, so how many doggies are here? Count the puppies, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, count here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 puppies. So which block has less number of puppies? This one. So write here L and write here M. Okay, in this way you are going to write. Okay, children, do this exercise also in your copy. Now we move on to equal. Okay, so equal means, children, which has equal numbers. That means if a mama has given you 10 toffees and she asks you to give 5 toffees to your brother and keep 5 toffees to yourself. So how many toffees your brother has? 5. And you are also having 5 toffees. So this is equal number, children. Okay. So here see the cups. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here also count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So which block has equal number of figures? 6 and 6. So these two blocks, they have same number of figures. 6 cups are here and 6 toys are here. So they are equal to each other. Okay, children? Let's move to another one. So do this exercise in your copy. Let me explain one more example. Okay. Now count the kites, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so write here 7. Okay, then count again. Books 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many books are here? 6. Now count the watches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many numbers of watches are here? 6. So which one is correct? These two. This one has 6. This one has 6. It means they have equal number of figures. Okay. So do this exercise also in your copy, children. Now we'll move on to less than, greater than, and equal to. Okay. It means comparison, children. comparison. One is better, another one is not better. So we'll do the comparing here. See children, 4 is less than 5. It means you have 4 toffees and your brother has 5 toffees. That means you have 1 toffee less in number and your brother is having 1 toffee more in number. Okay, so 4 is less than 5. So what is the sign in between? If we write less, then this sign is used for writing less. Okay, and if you said more, that means more is showing in this manner. The sign of writing more is this. Okay, suppose here 8 is greater than 7. That means I told you earlier, children, that your brother is having 5 toffees and you are having only 4 toffees. That means your brother is having more toffees than you. Okay, similarly here also 8 is bigger than 7. So 8 is greater than 7 and we'll use this sign. Equal to. So I told you earlier also children that equal means having same number of figure, same number of things. Like 4 is equal to 4. That means equally divided. I told you earlier also that Mama has given you 5 toffees and your brother also 5 toffees. So both of you having same number of toffees. This is equal. So when we write equal, this sign is used. Okay. Now children, we'll do the exercise more, less than, greater than and equal to. Okay. So see the first one. Count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 balls. So right here, which one is greater? This. So 6 is greater than 4. Our next picture. See. In next picture, 3 books are here. 1, 2, 3. And in this, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 books are there. So write here 3, write here 4. But 3 is less than 4. So you write this sign. Okay. Then equal to. Okay, children. See the F1. How many mangoes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on both the sides, equal number of mangoes are there. So write here 8, write here 8, and which sign? This sign. Okay, children. So do all the exercises, rest of the exercise in your copy. Now worksheet comes, children. Now numeral for 4 is, how do we write 4? This. Okay. The number name for 4 is, you are going to write here number name, then counting forwards and count backwards. Then what comes before, what comes after, what comes in between, then do the greater and less than. So do all these exercise, children, in your copy. Okay, and submit your copy in school through WhatsApp. Okay, children. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice